gusto nyo na raw vlog, ayan, ganyan ang itsura ko bagong gising. So, so good morning everyone. Dito ako sa aking home gym setup. So one of the things that I do every morning is, apart from doing my steps, which you've seen in my previous vlogs, I try to get in, well, hindi naman every morning, siguro mga 3 to 4 times a week, pero I want to increase it pa. Some strength training, some weights, resistance training. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung favorite sneaker ko. Ilang beses ko na ito pinakita dito. I used to own the Project Rock. Well, I still have it, the Project Rock 3. Ito yung pinakabagong Project Rock. Nagawa ko ito na unboxing before. Bramable, di ba? Sobrang angas. May nagpadala sa akin na sobrang gandang sneaker box eh. So, ito yung from Kratos Storage Solutions. So, stackable siya. Tapos, pwede mo rin lagyan ng sensor light. So, tingnan natin ano yung itsura niya. Yan na siya. Na-assemble ko na. There's actually... Oh, magnetic kasi to. So, pasensya na. So, pwede mo indikit dyan eh. May LED light siya nakasama. So, nakakatuwa naman. Yun nga lang. Tama ba yan? Kasi kung bubuksan ko, mahuhulog ba siya? But yun nakita nyo. Yan ang Kratos Storage Solutions sneaker box. So, if you guys wanna check it out, I'll link it down below where you guys can buy it. Aliw! Kapagod. Anyway, before we get with the rest of the day, bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick teaser. So, na-mention ko before, one of our businesses is a talent agency. So, we're revamping the website. Meron ako dito, very, very super rough look nung site. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ng itsura niya. So, yan siya guys. Kita nyo naman. Papalitan namin to ng isang video na naka-loop, maybe talking about or showcasing the talents that we manage. Papalitan din tong copy na to ng We Are Unbox Network. And then if you scroll down, tatanggalin namin yan. Ayusin namin tong services block na to. Tong creator siguro dagdagan namin kasi parang ang konti kung carousel eh. So I'm thinking we can add a little bit more. Siguro we can put like 9, siguro 3 panels of 4 each. 'Di ba? Para makita yung mga mas maraming talents that we have. Yan, so yan yung tsura ng website. Inaayos pa yan, but yeah, abangan. Okay, so let's get to our unboxing for today. We actually have the new sneakers of one of our favorite NBA superstars, Steph Curry. Guys, ito yung pinakabago. This is the Steph Curry 9 Flow. This is actually going to be my first ever sneakers from Steph. Yung mga previous sneakers niya kasi, sobrang sikip. So, hindi siya naging friendly for me who has wide feet. But from what I've seen, this should fit perfectly well. Shout out, by the way, to Under Armour Philippines for the hookup on this one. Talagang, woo! Talaga mapawu ka na lang, you know? So this is it. This is the yellow colorway in collaboration with Sesame Street of the Steph Curry 9 Flow. And it is ridiculously loud and sick. Now, style-wise, as you guys can see, this is loud AF. And if you want to wear this off the court, kung suotin nyo ito pamporma, yung tip lang talaga dyan is you mute everything else from your shirt to your shorts or your bottoms. This is something that would work if this is like the accent or the highlight. Now, when it comes to the actual features of the shoe or what they made better, there are 3 things you need to know about the Curry 9 Flow. Una-una sa lahat, it is super light. I've been wearing it for the last 24 to 48 hours to get the feel for it. And it's actually totally rubberless. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag suot nyo siya, talagang actually hawak mo palang mararamdaman mo na eh. It's not as heavy as other basketball shoes, which makes it great for playing. At the same time, pwede rin siya for everyday wear. Under Armour also said that this is one of their grippiest shoes. So, it's supposed to be grippier. So, if you are going to use it to play basketball, kakapit yan sa court or kung anumang klaseng pavement ang ginagamit mo kung naglalaro ka ng basketball. And it allows you to also move quicker because of the tighter lockdown, which is they're calling the UA wrap technology. Napaka-positive vibes lang eh. Napaka-good vibes lang, which I think is exactly what we need in today's situation. Anything na nagbibigay ng good vibes at positivity, aakapin ko na yan, guys. Kasi kailangan ng, hindi lang ng Pilipinas, ng mundo yon. So, this one, super happy to add it to my collection. Now, if you want one, it comes in limited pairs here in the Philippines. Checking my notes, pre-order is Jan 12 to 13, and the official launch is Jan 14, only available on sportscentral.ph. So if you guys are a fan of Steph Curry, or if you just want positive vibe shoes, Boom. Okay, pagkatapos ng shoes, foods naman. Lapit na. Ram food. Hey, ram food. Ram food.
I think it's the top. Wala siya from the rest of the...
And yun yung lunch natin. So I had a really good lunch. Nakita nyo, nagluto kami ng chicken breast. So yung maganda kasi doon pag air fried, tapos lagyan mo ng konting salt, pepper. That's just parang that's what? Parang sobrang taas ng calorie, sobrang taas ng protein macros noon, which is good for the diet. Anyway, so at this point in the vlog, actually we'll cut it here kasi I'll spend the rest of the afternoon doing calls, doing work, and that will be totally boring for you guys and walang sense. Pero bago ang lahat, dahil naalala ko lang Sesame Street tsaka Steph Curry, di ba? Meron pala ako dito yung Sesame Street, si Big Bird na cos, nakakatuwa. Kaaliw oh. This is actually an entire Sesame Tree set that I have. Tapos of course, bago matapos, Steph Curry, we have a Steph Curry PSA 10 blank slate card dito, one of my priciest cards. So if you guys are into cards, I just want to invite you to check out my NBA Cards channel. I'll link it down below. I upload there siguro mga 2 to 3 times a week. So make sure to check it out in case you guys are interested in that type of content. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all safe. And I'm praying for every single one of you, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagkakasakit. At pinagdadasal ko din, at dapat ipagdasal nyo din, yung mga tao na hindi may sakit, pero nag-aalaga ng may sakit. At mas lalong-lalo na yung may sakit na, pero kailangan pa rin nila mag-alaga ng may sakit. So let's pray for their strength, their grace, and their talaga patience so that they're able to do what they're able to do and everybody heals from this crazy pandemic. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.